This 2017 Heartland Road Warrior RW 427 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Courvelle's RV. This used Heartland is 44 feet 1 inch in length and features 2 slideouts, sleep 7, air conditioning, oven, microwave, auxiliary battery, TV, Colorado Detector, stove top burner, refrigerator, self-contained, water heater, and 100-gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, loft, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Heartland Road Warrior RW 427 is 16,698 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Courvelle's RV, visit RVUSA.com.